Google recently disabled the Touch API in the Chrome browser. In order to use Triumph Cloud correctly, we need to enable it manually. To do so, enter the following URL: chrome://flags. Then search for Touch. Select the Touch Event API, enable it, and click on Relaunch now. The browser then relaunches, and you see the Touch event enabled. Now Triumph Cloud will work correctly again. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.